over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here. They're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because it's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot of from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty, who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also
Okay, Amar, we can start session, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, everyone. So very good evening, guys. So today we are going to discuss about the dynamic programming, memorization, and tabulation and all. Okay. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today over here. So yesterday we have discussed the basics of dynamic programming, right? Is there anyone who was present yesterday for dynamic programming? Basics of dynamic programming, guys. Okay, fine. Am I audible, guys? Can you hear me clearly? Okay, we'll revise that first and then we'll go ahead. No problem. Okay, Jatin is there. Jatin, you were there, na dynamic programming. Okay, no problem. Can we go through the quickly the what is dynamic programming and all? So you can see here the dynamic programming is an algorithm technique used to solve the complex problem by breaking them into smaller overlapping sub problem. Okay, so small overlapping sub problem it is going to so solving each sub problem only once and storing the result for the future use. So any sub problem will solve it only once and store it their result for the future use. So unlike recursion, which may solve the same sub-problem multiple times, dynamic programming is going to store, memorize that result, okay, previously computed result, and make the algorithm much more efficient, okay. So example like climbing stairs. So suppose you want to climb to 5 stairs. So rule you can climb one stair, two stair at a time, okay. So we can say how many different ways to reach on the top. So we have the different options and all, okay. So notice the same sub problem like f of 3, f of 2 are solved repeatedly. So no need to do that. In dynamic programming, compute each sub problem once and store the result and it will do. Okay. Is that okay for you all? Hello? What is dynamic programming? Is that okay for you all? Okay. So guys, can you do one thing? Can you send me the more example regard not coding? I'm not talking about code. Can you share the more example regarding the dynamic programming? I'll give you the 5 minutes of time. Can you do that? Please reply, guys. Can you do that, guys? Can you share the more examples? Okay, please. Please do that and share. Jatin, are you there? Okay, Praveen has replied. What about others? Okay, can you create an example and share? I'll give you the 5 minutes of time. Can you do that? Please do it, guys. Okay, Kavita, very good. GPS navigation, Google Map, find the shortest or fastest route by reusing previous calculation. Very good, Kavita. Okay, we'll wait for 2-3 minutes more. Let others also do, and then we'll go ahead. Okay. New path for going same place. Okay. Route planning. Okay, fine. Okay, climbing stairs calculates the number of ways to reach the top by sorting, storing the number of ways to reach previous step. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, so that is enough, guys. Okay, so these are the different example of dynamic programming. Okay, so company salary calculation. Suppose company calculate the yearly bonus. So obviously monthly salary already they'll keep it in a my stored, and on the basis of that they are going to solve. So you can see our employer bonus department bonus, company profit department bonus again, and then company profit again. So it will reuse the calculated value. Yes, yes, I can explain again, no problem. Okay. So we are going to talk about the dynamic programming over here. Okay. So dynamic programming is an algorithm technique used to solve the complex problem. Okay. So with the help of that, we can solve the complex problem. So by breaking them into the smaller overlapping sub problems. Okay. And then once we break that, then we will calculate that result for the sub problem only once. Okay, and storing it result for future use. Okay, so unlike recursion, which may solve the same sub problem multiple times, okay, dynamic programming memorize the previously calculated result and make the algorithm much more efficient. Is that okay? Is it okay now? Okay, great guys. Okay, so this dynamic programming, achieving dynamic programming, we have two ways. Okay, so properties we have discussed. Okay, so memorization, that is a top-down approach, and the tabulation, that is a bottom-up approach. So we are going to see that one by one over here. Okay, so you can see here the first one is a memorization. So memorization is a top-down dynamic programming technique. Okay, top-down dynamic programming technique where we solve a problem recursively, okay, and store. It's in cache. We will store we will store that result of already solved sub problem. So whichever problem is already solved, that sub problem will be stored. So when the same sub problem appears again, instead of recomputing it, we return the stored result. Okay, so that is the memorization. So this help eliminate redundant calculation. Okay, so again and again you need to calculate again. Okay, significantly improve the performance. Okay, so you can see here memorization is an optimization technique that store the result. Okay, so that will store the result of expensive function call, so that future calls with the same input can return the cache result instead of recomputing it. Okay, so that way we are going to do. So I'll request you please go through the memorization. Okay, 1 minute. Example I'll show you. So imagine you are mathematics teacher. A student asks 25 into 36. So you calculate it, write the answer in your notebook. So 5 minutes later, student asks the same question. So without memorization, you calculate it again. But with memorization, you simply look into your notebook and give the answer immediately. So this notebook acts as a memorization table catching. Is it okay, guys? This example for memorization. Can you come up with a more example like that? First of all, have you understood that? Have you understood that? Okay, very good. Fibonacci numbers, good. Yes, I will wait for 2 minutes. Let others reply and then we'll go ahead. Okay, very good. Factorial. Okay, no problem. We go ahead. So why do we need to memorize? So considering calculation any, so if we memorize that, if you want to reuse that, okay, it will be very easy. So repeated computation will not required. So that's how we will memorize that. Okay. So with memorization, no need to do that. Just reuse the things. That's why we are going to memorize that. Okay. Steps of memorization. So step one, solve the recursively. Step two, create a DP array. Okay. Step three, initialize the every value as a -1. Okay. And then meaning like -1 not calculated, any other value already calculated. Okay. Like that. Then before solving, check again if already solved or not. If it is return it immediately if it is solved. Okay. Otherwise, calculate again. Okay. So like that we are going to do. Okay. So generally, so we'll see this example of the. Okay, you guys write a Fibonacci, write a Java program to calculate the to print the Fibonacci series. Okay. To take the input from the user for particular limit, for example 10, 12, any, and print the Fibonacci series for that. Can you do that? Yes, everyone, can you try that? I'll give you the 5 minutes of time. Writing a program for Fibonacci number. Yes, please reply. Can you do that, everyone? Hello. Hello, guys. Am I audible, guys? Can you hear me? Okay. So please do it, guys. You have 5 minutes of time. Jatin, Fibonacci series number where you have to ask the user to enter the limit and print that. Okay. You have 5 minutes, 5 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, guys, please share that. Guys, you can look into this solution if anyone having a issues or 1 minute. Huh? If anything not okay, please let me know. Okay. Others, you can, some people have shared, you can check with this. Okay. And then we'll see. Okay. Please. You have 5 more minutes. You can try this. Okay. And then we'll go ahead. Those who are done, very good. Those who are not done, they can make a note of this. I hope others are doing. Let others do and then we'll go ahead, guys. Uh, 1 minute, guys. I'll just change the tab and sorry, sorry. You can carry on. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes more and then we'll go for next topic. Please do it. What you have shared, Jatin, who need to share such a okay 55. No problem. I'll wait 2-3 minutes more. Okay, thank you. Others, please check the outcome and let me know. Others also please check the outcome and let me know. 1 minute, I will save this and run. Okay, just try. Then Java. Okay. What? Wait a minute, guys. Correct, Jatin. Right. So we'll make some changes into the code. Wait. Okay. Let's see again. No, not this is also not okay. Jatin, have you shared any other code? Hello. Please reshare that. We'll check that. Hello. Can you reshare that? Okay. Somebody else has shared. But I think this is giving the same thing. Huh? No, it is printing that same thing. It is also not working fine. Yes, Jatin, do you have a solution with you? Okay, we'll check that in share. We will check that. Okay, later on. It should be actually. It should print like that. Okay. Okay, Jatin has shared something. Wait a minute. We'll check that. Okay, good. So in this, okay. So you're keeping the values into the next term, right? Okay, no issues. Good. Okay, we'll go ahead. Very good, Jatin and others. So other code was also okay. There it was printing the memorization. Okay. So climb staircase also example. Okay. So where a person can climb one step, two step, find the number of ways. Okay. So n is equal to 5. Output is 8 ways. So there are different 8 ways it can climb. Okay. 8 ways. Can you just tell me which all are 8 ways of climbing tree? 5 staircase are there. So which all are 8 ways to climb a tree, guys? Yes. Which all are 8 ways, guys? Which all are 8 ways? Hello? Can you try this? Ah, yes, yes. Jatin, very good, very good. No issue. Others also good. Okay, very good. Yes, you can try this code. Okay, climbing one. I think yesterday also we practiced that. Okay. No, no, not practice. So you try this one, okay, and then let me know what all are 8 different ways to climb the stairs. Yes, Jatin, output is 8, but I want all the 8 ways of climbing the 5 stairs. I want all our 8 ways to climbing the 5 stairs. Okay, guys. So I hope others are also done. Okay. Let's move ahead now. So factorializing that we already done. Okay. Coin change. Coin change. Have we done yesterday? Okay. Very good, Jatin. Very good. Coin change. If you remember yesterday, we talked about, for example, if certain amount is there. So we have a set of coins, okay, and that we have to see the which all are notes we can take. So for that, so you can see here, we'll have a coin 1, 2, and 5. Amount is 11. So new int, we are taking amount plus 1, array dot fill dp. So comma 1. So answer, we are calling minimum coins method we are calling. So coins and amount we are passing. If answer is equal to integer dot max value, okay, if it is maximum, then it will be print -1. Otherwise, it will print answer. So we are going for mean coins method. So here we'll pass the coins and amount. So if amount 0, it will return 0. If amount is less than 0, it will return maximum value. Okay. But if DP amount not equal to -1, then it will return a DP of amount. So again, it will call that, right? So we'll check that answer is equal to integer dot max value. So we'll take each coins. Okay. And if you remember, we have seen this logic. If result is equal to mean coins, again we'll call. Again, we'll pass the call coin and amount minus coins will do. So like that, we will call if result not equal to integer dot max value. Again, we will calculate the mat dot mean answer and result plus 1. Okay, at last it is going to give the answer. So it will give you the how many coins, how many times it is going to repeat. Is it okay, guys? Are you getting this? Hello? You can try this, guys, and then we'll go ahead. Please try it. You have a 10 minutes of time. You can try this. Yes, everyone, please do it. Yes, everyone is done. Can we go ahead? If everyone done. Okay, very good. Now we'll see the another one, tabulation. Okay, guys. So you can see tabulation is a bottom-up dynamic programming technique where we solve the smallest sub-problem first and store their answer in a table, usually array and matrix. We then use this stored value to solve the large problem, sub-problem until we reach to the final answer. Okay. So unlike memorization, tabulation does not use recursion. Okay. So in memorization, we'll use a recursion, but here we are not going to use a recursion. Okay. So it builds the solution iteratively using the loop. So tabulation is the bottom up dynamic programming approach that solve all required sub problem iteratively and store their result in a table to build the final solution. Okay. So is that okay, guys? Tabulation. What is tabulation? Is it okay, guys? Please reply. Is that okay? What is tabulation? Okay. So real world analogy, imagine you are constructing a building. So without planning, you might start building the top floor first. So which is impossible. But instead of following this step, build the foundation, build the first door, build the second floor, then build continue floor by floor, finally complete the top floor. So tabulation works the same way. Solve the smallest problem first. Use this result to solve the bigger problem, and eventually reach the final answer. Okay. So that is nothing but the analogy of the tabulation. So can you guys share one examples related to tabulation, the way you did it for the memorization? Can you share that? You have 5 minutes, guys. Please share. If you guys are listening me, you have 5 minutes. Please share that. Okay, guys. So only one person has shared. What about others? So create a DP array. Okay. First step, then initialize the base case. So initializing base case is a very important. And then use a loop to fill the remaining entries and all. Okay. And then return the final answer. So we are going to create. So general template for tabulation. Create a DP table. It's array. Initialize the base case. Then we use a loop. Okay. So compute the answer using previously solved state and return the final answer. Is it okay? Hello. So this is the example for tabulation. Okay, so here int 10 is equal to 10, int dp is equal to new int, and plus 1 we are taking, we are creating an array for tabulation. So dp0 we are keeping 0, and dp1 is 1. And then in for loop int I is equal to 2, I is less than n, I plus plus. So every time we are calculating dp of I. So dp of I minus 1 and dp of I plus 2 will add. And at last we are going to return the dp of n. Is it okay, guys? Tabulation. Example, this Fibonacci one. Okay, good. So climbing staircase also we can perform using tabulation, guys. Okay. So I'll request you, you can just try this and just let me know if you are facing any problem. It's very easy, right? The way we have done for the above one, Fibonacci. Okay, using tabulation. So we are creating an array. Guys, do this. You will get at 8 after 8:30 automatically you'll get the attendance. Don't worry about that. Yes, everyone, please do that. complete this, guys, and then we'll go ahead. Ashish, you can try that. Ashish, you can try that. Yes, guys, done with this. Okay, next. So coin change also you can try it. So I'll show you. You can try that, and if you have any question also, you can fill. The same thing, same logic we are going to use here. Okay. So you guys can see here we are giving the coin again same 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, amount 11. So in DP is equal to new int amount plus 1. Okay. Arrays dot fill DP amount plus 1 and DP of 0 is equal to 0. So int I is equal to 1. I is less than amount I plus plus. Okay. And then we'll coins and we are printing. Say logic is same. Only we are added the array over here to store that. Okay. Please try this, guys. And then we are just printing here. If DP amount is greater than amount, then we'll print the -1 otherwise. Same logic, only we are storing into the one array called as a DP. Okay, so tabulization we are doing. Is that okay, guys? Okay. Now please try this one, and then we'll go ahead. Yes, guys, is it done? Okay, have we completed this topic today? Please reply, guys. Have we completed this topic today? Okay. Okay, thank you, guys. If any other question, query, you can feel free to ask. If not, then we will wind up the session. Okay, guys. Okay, Amar, I think there is a no questions. If with your permission.